See if we can do it again.
Let's see if he can start a new streak in San Diego with freestyle wins. Nice start with a little slap wheelie.
Riding the wheelie.
Nice air! That's the biggest air we've seen all night.
Very good
nice
air!
Slap wheelie off the jump as well. He's picking up his momentum. This could take him. This could have him have a big lead away from our current leader, which is Zombie. He's getting some pretty nice air. This is the biggest air we've seen all night and the most consistent freestyle we've seen tonight.
Nice. Nice sky wheelie.
Going for the backflip jump. And he lands it perfectly with the sky wheelie combo. That's the first time we've seen the sky wheelie combo with the backflip jump.
Going around. Ooh, nice.
Save there. He's getting some pretty consistent air. Like I said.
There's a lot of momentum tonight.
He really wants to keep up that freestyle streak up.
20 seconds.
He's going for the APAC backflip.
Nice.
Landed it.
Nine seconds.
Finish it off with a bang here.
Fine.
From the back of a little extra for the fans. Truly a phenomenal run by Mohawk Warrior.
You see that engine glowing in there. It's red hot. Ooh, nice.
Nice.